Online Configurator. Become a customer and consult the Myone Configurator. This tool, through simple and guided steps, helps the user find the ideal solution for automating any type of access point. Select the configuration type. The first step involves choosing the configuration you wish to obtain. Start configuration. Proceed by entering input data regarding the type of door and/or glass, access dimensions, and the number of expected entries. At this stage, the system also asks whether the access point to be automated is an emergency exit. Specification of the frame and automation. The system provides some possible solutions. If the user is configuring not only the automation but also the frame, a cutting list is also provided. Upon completion of the configuration, it is possible to customize the crossbar color by selecting from the available RAL options. Accessory selection. The final step allows the user to choose accessories to complete the system. Specifications to complete the quote. Once the configuration is complete, it will be possible to save the quote associated with a customer, and add notes or additional processing. Order submission to Myone. The quote can be saved and finally sent directly to Myone as an order request.